Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, okay, my name is Rahman. I will presentation about my project for final exam. My project is HTI-BOOK. HTI-BOOK is automatic book self and raw application Arduino Uno with high technology. Okay, next slide. What is HTI-BOOK and what are its advantage? Uh, HTI-BOOK is a design software or digital application to make easier for readers when in the library, both in managing book archive, book borrowing data, book return data, and how to find books in automatic bookshelf. And then if book is a tool designed to make it easier for students to find a book they want without having to waste a lot of time. The components used are Arduino Uno to serve motors, project board, Android and Bluetooth AC5, and it is my project HTI-BOOK. Okay, next. So priority HTI-BOOK. Okay, number one, uh, encouraging technological process in developing education, especially in libraries in Indonesia, because as we know that technology, especially in education in Indonesia, is quite far behind from developed countries out there such as Chinese, uh, Japanese, Korean, and American, and other countries. And number two, increasing reading interest, especially among students, according to UNESCO. Indonesia ranked second from the bottom in terms of world literacy, meaning that reading interest is very low in Indonesia. According to UNESCO data, the reading interest of the Indonesian people is very concerning. Only 0,001%. This means that of 1,000 Indonesians, only 1% is avid readers. Therefore, its technology in education develop rapidly. It's not impossible that reading interest in Indonesia can increase as well. And number three, compared to manual bookshelf or old version, HTI-BOOK have a very high quality and modern designs, features, and material. And in addition, if an educational institution or university use this HTI-BOOK, it will more or less increase the good name and quality of the user. Okay, next. Design and need. Okay, number one, Arduino Uno. What is this Arduino Uno? Arduino Uno is a microcontroller where the microcontroller will process input given through an open source programming language so that it will produce output. Just connected. Okay, number two servo motors. What is this two servo motors? Is a DC motors equipped with a control circuit. Servo motor is a composed of a DC motors, use a pointometers and control circuit. And number three, Android. Android. What is the function in Android? It's a control using a servo motor control in application. And then next, a Bluetooth AC05 is a tool that used to connect a device with other device without cables. And Bluetooth HC05 serve to connect servo motor with Android. And barcode, oh no, program on Arduino. Okay, program on Arduino, that is a sketch of program use the if or else looping function. Because the Bluetooth module is high, we can control it using the Bluetooth application on a smartphone, and the output is a serve that will rotate to a radius of 180 degrees. Okay, and then barcode scanner. What is this barcode scanner for function? What? It's a barcode scanner is a tool used to read codes in the form of vertical lines found on most of product in the form of goods. The use of barcode scanner itself has two additional advantages. First, it will minimize input errors caused by computer operator errors. Second, the use of a barcode scanner speeds up the process of entering data, literally reducing process delays. And the last, making HTI-BOOK application. Uh, why we need make application HTI-BOOK? Because namely to set up and manage the machine to find a book you want. That's why I will make an application for a book so that user can download it in a Play Store, on App Store, Apple Store, and maybe in their application store. Okay, next, how to use HTI-BOOK. One, you can download the HTI-BOOK application on Play Store for relate user or library admins and readers or students. Also download the application. And two, in this HTI-BOOK application, there are also the archive number of books contained in library. Number three, after all library book that has been entered into this HTI-BOOK application, the reader or user of this book can choose to find a book he wants to find. And next, if you have determined the book that the user is looking for, then the user can press the find book button. Then the book can appear and slightly push so that it can be easily found by user. And then is the bookshelf is too high to pick up, maybe the user can select the find and fall book button to drop the book on a hard to reach shelf. And on the cover of the books there is a barcode along with a sensor to find a book again if the layout of the books has been changed. And to connect the Authomatic bookshelf connection using electricity. So if the electricity goes out, then the HTI-BOOK access can run, but the HTI-BOOK can battery charge, so it can handle temporary use of this HTI-BOOK. Next, marketing strategy. Okay, in here I have 5 marketing strategy. Number 1 is online marketing. What is online marketing? Is a strategy that utilizes the internet marketing activities to get customer attention, are carried out by utilizing social media, website, email, and even augmented reality. And number 2, close range marketing is this digital marketing strategy utilizes device capable of running Bluetooth and Wi-Fi such as smartphone, In close-range marketing, companies use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to send promotion, product, and service directly to customer when they shop. And next, utilizing augmented reality marketing technology is to add digital elements that allow people to see a live view only with the help of a camera. In marketing, companies usually use this technology to allow customer to virtually try their target product before buying it. And then inbound marketing strategy is a digital marketing strategy that use relevant and solution content and interaction to draw customer closer to the company products and service. It's like that. And the last, digital marketing strategy with a social media marketing is is the activity of marketing products or service using social media platforms. In addition to search engines, customers also tend to search for various product and service they need through social media. Okay, it's all about marketing strategy, and then conclusion. Um, conclusion is the problem with libraries is the lack of modern technology to help students and librarians access all facilities and information easily, as well as the means to find book quickly in terms of time efficiency. To answer this problem, I have proposed a solution based on Arduino Uno microcontroller technology called HTI-BOOK. From the result of usability and function testing, the prototype can function properly. The prototype does utilities Bluetooth wireless control with the convenience provided in the future. Will be an incentive to improve the quality and interest in reading for students. Okay, okay, everyone. Maybe is enough for my presentation. I hope my presentation can be knowledge advantage for you guys. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.